the fight has begun.
Abracagrabra straight in, trying to stop Paradigm Spin from spinning up, pushing it against the arena wall and getting it inverted. That's important, I feel, if you're going to beat this spinning robot.
And Paradigm didn't shim there, accidentally jumping over Abracadabra as Abracadabra goes flying underneath. Abracadabra, though, there goes the shield, just been fired off from that spinning disc of Paradigm Spin.
But it's not deterred at all, still going in on the attack. It's going to have to try and attack Paradigm Spin some way, but every time you go in to attack Paradigm Spin, you're at risk of hurting yourself.
So more and more of that shield from Abracagrabra being taken off. Once again, another piece there. Abracagrabra, there's going to be nothing left but Paradigm Spin. So close to the pit, not quite flying in. Abracagrabra there, very hopeful for a moment, but Paradigm Spin back under control.
That's what I think Abracagrabra's got to hope for here. Try and get Paradigm Spin to bounce around into the pit, play it almost like a golf shot. You know, 4
and a hole in 1, but now we have a little bit of quiet here as a minute remains. Something's going on there in the corner, we can't quite see, but Paradigm Spin being a little bit stuck. Now once again spinning out of control. Abracagrabra slowly nudging over to the pit area.
I mean, kudos to Abracagrabra here, just not letting up. Despite the amount of damage that the spinner has done to it, it's coming in for attacks again and again. The spinner doesn't seem to be going. Is it struggling? Is the spinner maybe disabled in some way?
Well, I think we're now seeing from Abracagrabra just a sheer pace, and Abracagrabra wins! Oh.